No half sends. Oh, fuel.
Welcome back, guys. Today is the day. We're gonna go pick up Klaus's engine. Don at Accelerated Performance just called me and told me that it is done. So we're gonna head out there. For your reference, it's Friday, like 6 something right now. At this time next week, we will be in Indy unloading and getting ready for Cleveland cars. So we got 1 week to button up the engine, get it installed, get everything else done on Klaus, test it, go tuning, then testing some more, and then loading up. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna load up this stuff into my little trailer and get over there. We are back. We got Steve with me right now. He's helping me. We're gonna do a video on his M235 here shortly sometime. When can we beat it up?
Well, probably when you actually call it by its right name. It says B58.
Oh, sorry, it's a M240. He's upgraded. He's cool now. But we got the engine back from Don a little bit ago. He basically just put the short block, long block together, and now we're putting in all the stuff. And Steve's like, "Hey, you got the camera rolling?" I was like, "No, I don't," because I just got excited and just went straight to work. So what we've done so far is just added on steam port fittings, plugs, getting sensors in. Oh yeah, I need a sensor over there. Steve is working on our ICT billet accessory bracket right now and just working away. But yeah, that is the motor completely done. Lingenfelter heads at 283s, I think what they call it. They're massive ports, huge springs, bald eagle cams, Texas breed, full rotating assembly, forged kink, keyed. We got the ATI dampers. We got so much stuff we're doing, so we are just plugging away hard on it. And you've seen us work on this motor and install it many times, so we're going to put you on a short little time lapse, and by next time you see this, it'll be in the engine. Famous last words. We got it all put together now. That took a while. We got the headers on. This whole ICT billet assembly. We got nice dampers. Over here, it's all put together. We got Shane, who is coding our radios for the vents over here. That's what he does. He's a good IT guy. We got Steve sitting down. We got Mike drinking beer and Brandon drinking beer. We drink beer on this channel. We're not family. Well, we are family friendly, but we drink beer. So now it's all put together. We're gonna lift this up and get it bolted to the transmission because Brandon needs this plate and probably his big old torque thing back. So
Torque thing.
Torque
the
thing.
Old torque stick.
I was like, whatever. The torque stick.
Ugga sticks.
Give it all the ugga dugga. So we're gonna get this going. All right, back. We have the engine in the car, but not technically in the car. It's just a whole bunch of stuff has been messed up, and we're kind of fighting, trying to get it in the car. Ended up getting late, and at one point we looked over, saw the camera was dead. I didn't have the other batteries with me, so I don't know how much you're going to see of that getting in there. But good news, no, it would be bad news is I dropped Klaus's T56 Magnum. Good news is my face caught it last night. It was awesome. You know, it was all swollen, cut up, feels great. But now it's back to just me, so I'm gonna try to get this put in by myself. If not, I'm gonna light it on fire. Who knows? we're back. We didn't show you the last little bit of everything because we've just been plugging around. Jacob's here. He's helping me out. So I think we have everything hooked up. I just unplugged the fuel injectors because I don't want it to start up yet. So I'm going to turn on the battery and I'll do a key on and we'll see, make sure there's no fuel leaks first.
No half sends. Oh, whoa, fuel.
What the fuck?
I kept the camera dry.
Chad! Why is that not even tight?
Well, at least, hey, now I have proof I was here working, babe.
Sorry about that.
No worries, man.
We're gonna blame Chad on that one.
You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chad's fault.
Oh wait, everything's Chad's fault. If he was here, I'd blame him and be like, that's Chad's
I'll tell you
fault.
what, though, man, it like cooled me down like 10 degrees.
That E85 will do that.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, here's with no fuel. A new starter.
Sounds all right.
We'll take a short intermission while we put it on the charger. I have no juice. First startup. Let's see what he likes.
Maybe it does need to be shinned.
Klaus has been charging for like 20 minutes while we cleaned up the shop. So let's see if he starts up now.
Come on, Klaus. She wants to go. Come on. That's crazy.
Still dead.
I mean, maybe you think the starter might be too tight? Like it needs to be shimmed out? That's another thing, if it needs to be shimmed.
They can't shim out on these, they only go up and down. Alright guys, flash forward about 18 hours. Still stressed out. But Klaus is on the trailer. We figured out some things. Something like with the timing offset. We believe that something's wrong with the timing offset on the crank reluctor wheel. Because I was going through a bunch of settings all last night. Spent way too late, I'm tired. We went through a bunch of these settings, and when I would change it to like a negative 110 degree offset, I could get it to like idle. Just for a little bit, it sounded like crap. So we think there's something in the timing, which we don't know. It's weird because we didn't change anything except for change the engine with basically an exact same one. So I don't know. But it's going to go off to Don right now at Accelerated, and he's got 1 day to make it work. So we're going to see how that goes. Alright guys, car is dropped off. It's actually the next day. Gonna head over there right now. He said there's still some issues, so we're going to try to work that out before Cleveland cars, but I think this video might be getting long. I don't even know what we've recorded, but I'm going to end this one off here. Hopefully the next video is Klaus running and dynoing, or I let him on fire. We'll find out. We'll see you next time.